Hello, just want to share with you a little package I've received from Potti314. He always sends nice locks. He sent me this one. It's an Abbas, been repinned. Is that in focus? Let me just focus it up a bit. Maybe that's a bit better. Just an Abbas €1/2 with a hidden key and a little note made by Potti314, 2nd of August 2016, and it's called Amnesia, so I'm predicting some sleepless nights with that one. He's also sent another new one made by Potti314. This time it's a padlock with a nice pie symbol etched onto it. It's obviously been modified heavily. Again, the key's blanked off. Nice to see somebody modifying padlocks. We don't get them very often. And the third one I refer to as the trumpet. I'm not quite sure what's going on there. It just reminds me of a trumpet. It's a Buffo €1/2, and this one, thankfully, he hasn't blocked the key off, so we can have a quick look at it. There's your key. Nothing too drastic with the bit in. From the looks of it, it'd probably rake quite easily, but I'm far too much of a gentleman to rake somebody else's locks. So we'll have a pick, see how we do. A little bit of light tension. Try and move my lights slightly, see if you can all see what I'm doing. I'll just pause that. Right, so a little bit of tension. Just feeling for the anything standing proud. I'm getting some nice false sets. It's quite a talkative lock. And we're in. Nice little pick. Michael usually sends quite tricky locks, so there's always one gift, if you like, one tap in to get your confidence up. But he does make incredibly smooth locks. You can't tell they've been modified from the key because the action's so smooth on them. Well, there you go, 1 down, 2 to go. Thanks very much, Michael, much appreciated. I'll get a package off to you shortly to say thank you properly. Cheers, mate. Bye.